In this guide, you'll learn 4 effective ways to perform honor, backup, and restore, ensuring your data remains secure and recoverable at all times. Way 1. How to perform Honor backup and restore using Honor Suite. Honor Suite is an official desktop application that lets you manage, backup, and restore data conveniently on your computer. You can back up contacts, messages, photos, videos, and app data with just a few clicks. Step 1. Download and install Honor Suite on your computer, then connect your Honor phone via USB cable. Step 2. Enable USB debugging as prompted. Step 3. Click Backup and select the types of data you want to save. Step 4. Choose a destination folder and click Backup. Step 5. To restore data, open Honor Suite. Click Restore. Choose a backup file and confirm restoration. Way 2. How to conduct Honor backup and restore through Honor Cloud. Honor Cloud offers a convenient online service to automatically backup data, such as contacts, photos, notes, and calendar events, to your cloud account. You can easily restore this data when you switch to a new Honor phone or after a factory reset. Step 1. Go to Settings Account Center Cloud on your Honor device. Step 2. Sign in with your Honor ID. Step 3. Tap Cloud Backup and enable automatic backup for items you want to protect, such as photos, messages, and contacts. Step 4. To restore, log in with the same Honor ID on a new or reset phone and enable Cloud Sync to automatically download your saved data. Way 3. How to achieve Honor backup and restore with Google account. Using a Google account is another easy way to keep your Honor data safe. You can sync contacts, app data, SMS, and call logs. When restoring, you can choose to restore specific data, such as contacts or messages, or restore all data by performing a factory reset first. Step 1. Open Settings Google Backup. Step 2. Turn on Backup by Google One or Backup to Google Drive. Step 3. Select the data categories you want to back up. Step 4. On a new or reset device, sign in with the same Google account. Step 5. Choose Restore from Backup during setup to recover your data. Way 4. How to do Honor backup and restore by Coolmuster Android Backup Manager. Coolmuster Android Backup Manager enables you to back up and restore Honor data on a computer with one click, supporting multiple data types such as contacts, messages, call logs, photos, music, videos, apps, and more. Step 1. First, download and install Coolmuster Android Backup Manager on your computer. Launch the program and connect your Honor phone via USB or Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable USB debugging on your device. Step 2. Once the connection is established, the software will automatically detect your Honor phone. From the main interface, click the Backup option. You can then choose the types of data you wish to back up, such as contacts, messages, call logs, photos, videos, music, or apps. Step 3. Select a destination folder on your computer to store the backup file. After confirming your data selections, click Backup to begin. The program will quickly copy your selected files to the computer within a few minutes. Step 4. To restore data, simply click Restore. Select a previous backup file, choose the items you want to recover, and hit Restore again.